In this video, we are going to be looking at differentiation of trigonometric functions, differentiation of exponential functions having base e. So let's move right into it. For differential of exponential of trigonometric function, there are some basic formulas and you need to just memorize them. So we have d all over dx, then we have sine x equals to, when you have sine x is equals to what? Cos x. Then we have d all over dx, when you have cos x, it equals to minus sine x. Then when you differentiate tan x, what you get will be sec x squared. When you differentiate sec x, what you get will be sec x tan x. And when you differentiate cot x, what you get will be minus cosec x, cosec square x, right? And when you differentiate cosec square x, sorry, there's no negative sign here, cosec, and by the way, you can just eliminate this 0 if you don't want. I think it's best you don't even put a 0. Cosec x, what you get will be minus cosec x, there's an x sign here, minus cosec x cot x. Now, you need to just memorize these formulas because they will aid you out when you are finding derivatives of trigonometric functions. Now, how can we find a derivative of this particular trigonometric function before us here? You can feel free to pause the video and make an attempt. Now, to find this particular derivative, using those formulas we just talked about, when we have 5, we put 5, sine x is equal to cos x, minus tan x is equal to sec square x, plus cosec x is equals to cosec x is equals to minus cosec x cot x, right? So you solve for this again to put 5 cos x minus 7 sec square x squared plus 4, sorry, this will now become a negative sign because 4 is multiplying by negative. This is a negative sign, please. Minus 4 cosec x cot x. So this will be our final answer. There's something I want you to pay close attention to from these formulas, because these formulas will help you really to get to solve trigonometric functions. So you see, there's something I want you to learn from this. This particular formulas. You see, whenever we're having to differentiate a sign that starts with C, the answer always carries a negative sign. You see, the pattern repeats itself. And again, one thing I want you to know is that once you are able to understand what is here, and here, you'll be able to do the rest. You will be able to understand the rest. So please pay close attention and try to memorize this so that it will aid you when you are given questions to answer. Next, we are going to find the derivative of exponential functions having base e. So if we are having d all over dx carrying base e, right, and we are to differentiate this function. To differentiate this function, we will say e all over u multiplied by u prime. So what we're basically saying is that we'll keep the whole differential the same, multiplied by the derivative of u. So let's take one example so that we'll get to understand it better. If we have d all over dx, x raised to power exponential raised to power base e raised to power x, right? Now to find this particular, to differentiate this particular function, we say e raised to power x, keep it the same, multiplied by x raised to power differential of x is 1. Therefore, our final answer will be e raised to power x. Let's take another one. If we have d all over dx, then we have e raised to power 7x. Now to differentiate for this particular one, we say e raised to power 7x multiplied by the differential of 7x is 7, sorry. So therefore, our final answer will be 7 e raised to power 7x. Let's take another one. Next, we have d all over dx. Then we have we have 4x plus 3, right? Now to find the differential of this particular exponential function, we will say e raised to power 4x plus 3. Differentiate the differential of 4x plus 3 is equals to 4, right? Because the differential of a constant is equals to 0. The differential of x is equals to 1. 1 times 4 is 4. So our final answer will now be exponential 4x plus 3. Sorry, put 4 behind here. So this is our final answer. Finally, we have 2 take-home assignments for you. Now, how can you find the derivative of these 2 functions involving base e? First, let's start with this first one. We'll say exponential x raised to power 2. We keep it the same. Then we have the finding of the differential of x raised to power 2 is 2x, right? So therefore, we have 2x exponential x raised to power 2. And for the second one, we'll say 5 exponential x raised to power 3. Then the differential of x raised to power 3 is going to be 3x raised to power 2, right? Therefore, when you are bringing this together, you multiply 3 and 5, which you got be 15. Then x squared exponential x raised to power 3. This will also be our final answer. Thank you so much for watching. Please, if you have any question, you can please write them at the comment section below. Please subscribe, like, and share. And please, we would like to hear from you. We want to see your comments. Thank you.